In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your complete Zelle Wells Fargo transaction history. This guide will assist you in navigating the Wells Fargo mobile app to ensure you can easily access your past transactions, adding a level of convenience and transparency to your financial oversight. Let's begin by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Look for the familiar Wells Fargo icon among your apps. It's typically depicted with the company's Stagecoach logo. After tapping the icon, you'll need to log into your account using your username and password. Remember to ensure you have a secure and private connection when entering your credentials to keep your information safe. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom menu of the app's home screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Pay and Transfer. Tap on this feature as it serves as your gateway to managing and reviewing your payment activities, including your Zelle transactions. Each section of the app is designed to offer a user-friendly experience, guiding you effortlessly to the information you need. Now, look for the Zelle option under the payment choices. Zelle is integrated within your banking app to make sending and receiving money swift and seamless. Tap Zelle R, and you'll be taken to the main area where you can handle your Zelle settings and transactions. It's a handy feature for quick peer-to-peer payments, so being familiar with this section can greatly enhance your app experience. The next step involves accessing your activity log within Zelle. Locate and tap on the Activity tab to view a comprehensive list of your recent transactions made via Zelle. This section will display transactions in chronological order, providing a snapshot of your money movements. It's particularly useful if you need to keep track of who you've sent money to or received funds from. As we continue, you'll want to explore these transactions further. Your complete Zelle transaction history will be readily visible on this screen. This is where you can delve into the details of each transaction for a more detailed overview. If you see a particular transaction that you'd like to know more about, simply select it to view specifics such as the date, time, and the parties involved. By following these simple steps, checking your Zelle Wells Fargo transaction history becomes a breeze. This practice is an excellent habit for ensuring that your financial records are in order, empowering you to keep your finances organized and transparent at all times. If you encounter any issues or have concerns about a transaction, the Wells Fargo app also offers support options to help you resolve your queries efficiently. I hope this guide helps you manage your finances more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials on managing your digital banking with ease.